Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Prince Classic 1999. Phish just played this at Alpine. I think it was night 2 they played this, and it just hit really hard. I thought it was awesome, so I wanted to do a quick lesson on it. Really fun song. We really only got 3 chords in this song. We've got a fun little melody we can play along with it as well. So we will go over all of that for you guys. But first, I'd like for you guys to comment below on what you were doing in 1999. I know for me, I was freshman in college at Northern Kentucky University, and also saw my first 2 Phish shows, December 3rd and 4th, 1999, at what was then the First Star Center. It's now US Bank Arena. So that's what I was doing in 99. So please comment below what you were doing. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop into this lesson. All right, so 1999, we are basically playing an F. We're gonna add a little, I think we're adding the 7th here, I think. Not there. So for our F, we're gonna bar 8th fret and the 10th fret here. So 8th fret, 10th fret bar is your F, and then we're going to get a little pinky action in here. That pinky is going to come over to the 11th of the B. So. Alright, so I'm hitting the root note here to start. You don't have to do that, I do that often, especially when I'm playing by myself. I do that pretty frequently. And that's really the pattern for the entire verse there. Alright, and then from there we've got B flat. So barring the 6th fret here, middle finger's on the 7th of the G, pinky is on the 8th of the D, and ring is on the 8th of the A. That is your B flat. And then from there, you go up and over to a D minor. So now we're barring that 5th fret, middle finger's on the 6th of the B, pinky is on the 7th of the G, and ring on the 7th of the D. And that is your D minor. So. Alright, so let's go ahead and play through that a few times here, kind of slow. That's the basis of the entire song there. It's really fun to play. It's a fun little, just a great song. If you've listened to it 1,000 times, you can just hear it as you're playing it, and it's fantastic. So the lead lines that you can play, I'll go ahead and play through real quick, and then I'll try the tab up there, and I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing. Yeah, so. So go ahead and put the tab up here, and I'll just kind of walk through. I'll just play that. I'll play this slowly a few times here. Alright guys, that's 1999 in a nutshell. So play around with it, have fun with it. Please leave me feedback, comments below. If you got any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys again soon.